Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can write equations in RemNote. So we have few options, so let's dive into it. Now first method, use this for a single symbol or short formula within a line of text. So if you type $2 just like that, you will see that it will open up new equation window. Type your equation between them. For example, the formula is, let's say, EMC, then what? Then we have this sign here, number 2, and if I press here again $2 at the end, or press enter, just like that, we have equation right over here. I forgot that one here, so like that. Okay. Now we can also use math blocks. So how we can use them? This is advised more for complex equations. So we type / to open the command menu, and then type math and select math block, and dedicated editor will open where you can type your LaTeX code. Now we have some shortcut also for the LaTeX. Let's say we have square root. It's something like that. Then what we can also do is fractions. We have something like that right here. Sorry. So it's something like that. We have fraction here. We also have multiplication. Also, we can use it like that, times, or we can change it to C dot. We can also type in beta, for example, P, pi, Greek letters. And yeah, this is pretty much everything. So when you open a math block, RemNote will provide a visual toolbar at the bottom. You can click on symbol like integral, so we can sum and then enter, and we have it right over here. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next